Hi everyone, we are Group 5. The Group 5 consists of Aditya, Shounak, Arnav, and myself, Arjun. This is our video demonstration for the CSE 412 project Phase 2 on the library video management system. In this video, we will walk you through our complete PostgreSQL database following the project requirements. First, Shaunak will show you our relational model and the DDL scripts we used to create our schema. Next, Arnav will show you how we populated our 9 tables with data. Finally, Aditya will run 5 live SQL queries that demonstrate the core use cases of our library application. I'll now hand it over to Shaunak to show our schema.
Thanks, Arjun. I'm Shounak. As you can see, we have successfully transformed our ER model into a relational model with 9 tables. Our 9 tables are authentication, publisher, reader, staff, reader phone, book, borrowing, report, and staff assist reader. We have created this using this DDL script. We paid close attention to the data types and constraints I required. For example, in our book table, the ISBN is the primary key. We chose decimal 10(2) for price to ensure currency accuracy. In the reader table, user ID is a serial primary key for auto-incrementing numbers, and email is set to unique. We built relationships. The staff table has a foreign key to authentication. Most importantly, we implemented our on-delete cascade constraint on reader phone and borrowing, which Aditya will demonstrate later. Now, Arnav will show you how we populated these tables.
Thank you very much, Shaunak. I'm Arnav. So, to meet the data population requirement, we created insert scripts for all the 9 tables. We made sure to insert the data in correct order to respect our foreign keys. So, for example, reader was populated before reader phone. So, Aditya, can you go ahead and please demonstrate how the 9 insert statements work? So, this is for publisher table. This is for reader table. As you can see, we have used dummy data for all of this. This is for reader phone table. This is a staff table. Book table. Drawing table. And report table. Perfect. So now I'll pass the mic to Aditya, who will run live queries to show our database in action.
Um, Thanks, Arnav. I am Aditya. I will run the required SQL queries that represent our application's main use cases. First query, first a critical report for staff. This query finds all the books that are past their due date and have not been returned. So our mock data assumes today is like November 9, 2025. So this is the query. So let's run it. So as you can see, the query successfully finds the 4 overdue books for Alice, Bob, Charlie, and Emily. Second up, a use case for the reader's account page. So let's put on the query. So this query finds all the books ever borrowed by Alice, showing their status. So let's run it. So you can see the result shows Alice's 3 books, 2 are returned and 1 is still out. Next up, now I'll simulate a staff member registering a new reader. This is a 2-step process to handle the multi-valued phone number. So let's see, this is the query. Let's run it. So it just ran, and the inserts are successful. If I now select the new user by running this another query, which will be this. So we can see that Zach has been added as user ID of 21. Next is update. So here we simulate Bob returning his overdue book. We'll run an update to set the return date to today. So let's see the query. So let's run it. So the update is successful now. If I run our first overdue query again, which is just a sec, this one. So now, as you can see, that worked, and now you can see like Bob's record is gone from the overdue list. Next is delete. So finally, we'll demonstrate our on delete cascade constraint. So a staff member needs to delete Alice user ID 1. First, we must manually delete her from the report, able to avoid a foreign key error. So let's do that. As you can see, this is the query. So that worked, deleting the 3 reports. Now we can safely delete Alice from the reader table. Let's run this for the reader table, and this ran too. So because of the on delete cascade, all of Alice's record in reader phone and borrowing were automatically deleted as well. If we check the reader table, Alice is gone. So let's just print everything from the reader table by running this query. So as you can see, user ID 1 is not there, which is Alice. So this concludes our phase 2 demonstration. We have successfully built our schema, populated it with data, and demonstrated 5 core application queries. Thank you for watching.